Monster Channel cat. Oh yeah. That's your big time. Be sure to subscribe. There's bigger ones in there, and it's that time of year, and we're going to haul some monsters out of there. Stay tuned. Here's a little morning feeding session if you're interested in watching some pretty good sized catfish feed. Granted, these aren't the monsters, although there's one big blast out there I figure is at least a 10-pounder or better. These are mostly 5-6 pound, occasional 7-pounder. Interesting enough, though, I mean, they're coming right up next to the dock here to eat these stale fajita shells I'm throwing out there. So, enjoy.
Are they there?
Yes and no.
Right near where your feet are.
Oh, no, they're out there. They're eating it. They don't seem to have much gusto. Oh, here they come. Make a liar out of me. Yeah. I don't see any monsters yet. Oh.
When I come back from feeding, they'll be waiting for me.
Is it too early?
I don't know.
Have you been out feeding?
I don't go till about 7:40.
So you didn't go today?
I've not been yet.
Ah,
It's too early.
that's why I was asking. It's too early for them?
Well, I go about
8.
7:40.
Oh.
I come back at 8 o'clock. It's about 8 o'clock I usually feed them.
So it's too early.
I don't think they've got a clock, have they?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
They've got wristwatches on, have they? Little pin watches.
They got a mental clock of some sort. I mean, you notice that they used to be at my boat at the same time every day, and then nothing. They're out there. They just gotta know that it's time now. Right now. I got a whole pack of stale fajitas, man. We just bought those. Or no, we didn't. I didn't buy none. That's right. They're a week old. Okay. Still, they're in an unopened bag, you know. West Pier's about ready to sink. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Well, well, gotta get them feeding to get them in here. There they go. I got them in here, but they're not those big ones that are out there. They said we got something for them. I got a whole loaf of bread and a big stand-up rod with a... It'd be funny, man. And since this boat's gone, it's going to make it easy. Since this boat's gone, make it easy. Get them. Yeah, they're out there. The big ones don't come in here, though. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can see one.
I see them. The water's clear enough that I can see them. They're not that big. They're...
Yeah.
But those are out there, man.
No, they're not. They're real close.
I can see them coming up. Oh, there was a good one. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh, they're shy. Gotta give them that. Come right up and eat. Oh, they're having a good time down there. Two at a time. They're all about the same size. Occasional bigger one. These look to be 5-6 pounders. We want to see the monsteros. They're flashing all around in there.
Someone coming in.
I think so. I think it's a perfect day. There's about a half a dozen of them in here. 5-6 pounders, you know. 2-3 kilos tops. Yeah, I can see them. The water's real clear.
Yeah.
About a foot and a half, maybe 2 feet visibility. There's an occasional bigger one coming through, but it's real shy. This thing's still recording, yeah. Come on. I saw you. I don't know if you see him underwater. You got polarized glasses, so it's still pretty clear. You might see him. Saw that one. Fishies. Some more. blast. And they're like sharks underwater everywhere. Come up real gingerly sometimes and take it, and other times they blast the heck out of it. These things don't float very good. Water. Yeah, these are 5-6 pounders max. Occasional bigger one. Bigger ones are out there. They seem a little bit too smart to come in here. They'll come make a run in here and a grab and a dash. We got more stale fajitas. And they like to eat them fajitas. Yeah. Eat a fajita. They're kind of shy. They're getting them as they're sinking. You don't have to come up and pop them on the surface as much. A lot of refusals where they just come up like a bass and look at it. And a lot of refusals out there. Eventually they'll come up and get it. I said there's about a half dozen of them down there, or more. Maybe 10 or 20, could be. Yeah? Well,
back and just dump it in there.
the bread's drifting back there and it's not getting any action. They're all out here.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, there's half dozen pieces just going right over that way, and they're all right here.
Perhaps they're expecting French bread.
That could be. You know, maybe it's like my fish. They want Pacific thing they're trained to eat.
Yeah.
Don't we got Italian bread, or did you buy the French bread?
I've got French bread.
Oh.